I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back, welcome back. Just got back from sunny Florida, back here in Michigan. Weather's getting warm. Massive, looks like a hurricane went through here. We'll be digging up a bunch of stumps today, stacking them up and having a big fire. Got Skitty out. We're gonna be putting in another driveway too and stuff. Just getting her done. It's so weird to sit for a week and not do any work. I just wanted to get back to it. Skitty boy. Arrow. Don't forget to check out Dr. Dirt.
No, Dirtman04.
Dirtman04.
Like, subscribe, follow.
Likewise. Just checking out the muddy site. This is Skitty Boy's house. Big field, baby.
Just drifted for like 2 hours straight. Had a huge fire.
Hell yeah.
But I've got the biggest tree in like 5 counties here. Massive oak tree.
You got that big wood.
I've got the biggest wood in the county.
Ladies, you hear that?
No, I'm not lying though. I got a certificate.
This is where happiness is made.
Right now we're just driving around and we're gonna get a game plan to get all this cleaned up for the rest of the day. We'll probably get Mark in the old excavator and I'm gonna be running the Skitty, but dude, look at this pile of shit.
We're having a big fire tonight, boys.
Yeah, and basically, like, I've got my dump trailer hooked up because my tree guy was here, and I probably would have cleaned it up as I was cutting it down, but I wanted to maximize the time and his use, so, like, that's why I did it that way. But
sure.
Look at this pile.
That's what every unorganized human says.
Yeah, Mark's being an ass a little bit.
Every minute with the fever dreams, I push a mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed the content, we have tons more. Click the link up above and check out our playlist. We got a ton of excavation and land clearing jobs, and we also have another playlist all dedicated to landscaping and hardscaping and all that good stuff. Don't forget, check out the videos, and let's get back to work. about to light the bonfire, boys. Smile, buddy. Kid just wants to run the skiddy. He gets mad when people stop him from working.
No, it just stresses me out seeing Vietnam in my backyard.
That's what I'm trying to get that fire going. Thought I had some freaking gloves in here. Check out his garage real quick. It's pretty sweet. Got the hex lights with the pallet wood on the walls. Little man cave right here. Boy's doing a good job. Got the 2 torches going. Caveman make fire. Hey, come tip that gas tank on my bucket. Ran out of fuel, almost in the fire. No bueno. Gotta rip it now. Hopefully them embers don't catch the whole neighborhood on fire. Ugh. She hot. Pretty good for green wood. Let's go.